It's April 21st, 2024. As you can see, there's a lot of new growths in the garden. Here is the California poppy, and here's the raspberry. You can see flowers are already forming on the raspberry canes. This one is a 1-year-old cane, and here's some other new canes that just came out, and you can see it's also sending out some flower buds. Here's the asparagus. You can see the flowers forming. And here's another tall one. And here are a few of the purple variety asparagus. And the mulberry is also sending out new leaves now. Rhubarb flowers have opened. And then over here we have the blueberry. It's a little wilted, I'm gonna water it, but you can see the flowers are also forming. And the grapes are also growing now. You can see the buds opening. The lavender plant is looking a lot greener. And here's the peony. You can see the flower buds are getting bigger. And here's a few more flower buds. There's 2 in this frame, and then here's another one.